Good morning, dear students. Today we will start new chapter, chapter number 6, Fun with Give and Take. In this chapter, we will do addition and subtraction. In class 2 already you have done addition and subtraction of 2-digit numbers. In this chapter we will do addition and subtraction of 3-digit numbers also. Now let's begin. Question. First you take out your books and open your book, page number 80. Question. Arvind has read 69 pages of storybook. Gauri has read 95 pages of that storybook. Who has read more pages and how many more? Now here Arvind and Gauri has read books. You have to tell who has read more number of pages. 69 and 95. Obviously 95 is more. But how many numbers you have to find? How many more pages he has read? For this you have to do subtraction. And in subtraction you have to remember always subtract smaller number from the greater number. So 95 minus 69. Now how will you do this? You will subtract 95 minus 69. First you have to write the statements. Now number of pages of the storybook read by Arvind is equal to 69. The number of pages of storybook read by Gauri is equal to 95. Clearly 95 is more than 69. Therefore Gauri has read more pages than Arvind. Now how many more? For that you have to do subtraction. Now 95 minus 69. First you have to arrange in the columns of tens and ones. Now you have to subtract 9 from 5. But 9 is a greater number and 5 is smaller. So you cannot subtract 9 from 5. So what you have to do? You have to borrow from 9. Now 9 will give 1/10 to 5. And this number will become 15. Now 15 minus 9 is 6. Now the subtraction of ones place is over. Now you come to tens place. Now again here 8, because 9 has given 1/10. So how many tens left? 8 tens. Now 8 tens minus 6 tens is equal to 2 tens. So answer is 26. So Gauri has read 26 pages more than Arvind. Now next question. Khushbu bought a shirt for rupees 125 and trouser for rupees 165. How much money did she spend altogether? First you have to write the cost of shirt and then cost of trouser. Here you have to find the total cost, both the cost of shirt and the trouser. So what you have to do here? Here you have to add both the costs of shirt and trouser. Here the number is in 3 digits, in hundreds also. So first you have to write the numbers in columns in ones, tens and 100. And then you have to add. Then you have to do the addition. See the answer. First you have to write the statement. Bought a shirt for rupees 125. Bought trouser for rupees 165. Now you add. Arrange them in ones, tens and hundreds and add. Now we always start from ones place. In addition and subtraction, remember always you have to start from ones place. So we add ones place first. Now 5 plus 5 is 10. So you will write 0 and 1 you will carry forward to the tens place. Now 6, you will write 1 above the 6. So 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So you write the answer 9. Now come to the hundreds place. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. So total amount she spent will be rupees 290. She spent rupees 290 altogether. Already you have done in class 2. This is just a revision of class 2. Now next question. Reena noted the electricity meter readings of her house. Last month's reading was 118. This month's reading is 193 units. How much electricity did she use in 1 month? Now here two numbers are given, 118 units and 193 units, and you have to find out the consumption of electricity for this month. So what you have to do, you have to subtract last month's unit from reading from the present units. So again first you have to arrange the numbers in ones, tens and hundred, and then you have to do the subtraction. Answer: this month's reading is 193 units. Last month's reading is 118 units. Now you have arranged numbers in ones, tens and hundreds. Now 193 minus 118. Now 3 minus 8 not possible. So what you have to do, you have to borrow 1 from 9 and this number will become 13. Now 13 minus 8 is 5, and what is in 8, 9 has given already 110, so 8 is left. 8 minus 1 is 7 and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this for this month the consumption of electricity is 75 units. Solve the following. Now here directly you are given addition and subtraction. Now what you have to do, you have to first arrange them in the ones and tens and hundreds column, and then you have to do the addition or subtraction. Here also some questions. This is an example. 474 minus 136. Now 4 minus 6 not possible, so again 4 will take 1 from 7, it will become 14. 14 minus 6 is 8, and 6 minus 3 is 3, and 4 minus 1 is 3. So answer is 338. You have to do this way. Now when you do the addition and subtraction of all these sums, check your answers from here. In this slide already questions are given, so first you do on your own in your notebooks and then do the correction of these sums from this slide, and all these questions you have to do in your notebook. Thank you. We'll continue in the next class.